It's Halloween night, come sing with me. Let's learn our ABCs and count 1, 2, 3. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bat that flies overhead. C is for cat, meowing boo. D is for drum, we're marching to. E is for eyes, peeking at night. F is for fireflies glowing bright. G is for ghosts staying high. H is for hat that witches buy. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Learning's fun on Halloween. Pumpkins glow and spiders spin. Let's all laugh and sing again. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for jack-o'-lantern, bright and bold. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lanterns in the sky. M is for moon, shining bright. N is for night, what a sight. O is for owl, hoo-hoo calls. P is for pumpkins in the halls. Q is for queen in her gown. R is for rainbow, orange and brown. S is for spider, climbing fast. T is for treats that always last. U is for umbrella, open wide. V is for vampire, taking a ride. W is for wand that sparkles bright. X is for summer glow, play all night. Y is for yellow lights that gleam. Z is for zoom in our Halloween dream. 1 pumpkin smiling in the dark. 2 black bats fly through the park. 3 cute cats dance on the floor. 4 ghosts giggle by the door. 5 bright stars twinkle high. 6 owls hoot under the sky. 7 candy sweet and neat. 8 little boots on trick or treat. 9 lanterns glow so fine. 10 friends shout, it's Halloween time.